Welcome everyone. This is going to be a room tour of the Hilton Hotel in Cologne. So this is outside the front of the hotel, just headed in through the revolving doors into reception. So as you come into the reception area, you've got the check-in desks on your right, and then to the left is the Pigeon restaurant. So up the stairs, just ahead of you, you can see there is where you could have evening meals and where breakfast is served in the mornings. So to the left, around here is, if you have come to the hotel in a car, there is some lifts down to the car park where we will head to shortly. Just another look at the Pigeon restaurant. So to get down to the car park, there's the lifts. So down through the park when you come out the lifts. The entrance to the parking coming by road, immediately behind the hotel, it's the street immediately behind the hotel. I'm not going to try pronounce it because my German isn't very good, but the price is about €32 per night when we were there. So this is back up in the reception, just showing around. Nice big open space. So when you come up from reception, down the stairs there, you turn right, you walk along the corridor, just walking along here, past the meeting rooms on your right hand side. There's quite a lot of meeting rooms in this hotel, and they are quite busy during the day. As you just keep following the corridors around, you will eventually come to the lifts that take you to all the floors for the relevant rooms that you're staying in. And the coffee area there is for the people to use that are in the meeting rooms. And you follow around, straight down the corridor there is down to the Fitness and Wellbeing Centre. Okay, welcome to the Hilton Hotel in Cologne. This is the corner room. We're in room 337. The room is absolutely massive. The room is hardwood flooring throughout with a rug around the main bed. So this is the bed, and in the corner room you could have the addition of another bed. The bed is massive, it's got a nice leather headboard, and you do have plug sockets and lights, as well as reading lights either side of the bed. And I'll take my hat off. Above the bed, you've also got a really nice mirror, which makes the room look even larger. At this one side of the bed as well, you've also got additional USB charging ports. And as I say, there is the additional bed that we've requested for in the room. So let's take a quick look outside, see what the view is like. Directly opposite we've got an apartment block, or could even be a hospital by the looks of it maybe. I'm not too sure yet, I've not looked on the map to see what's around. So at the other end of the room we've got the lights, some more lights, a nice sized TV, and underneath the TV You've got a fridge. It's not a mini fridge, it's just a standard fridge for storing anything you want in it. Some more space for storage. Alright, where's the tea coffee making facilities? Ah, there we go. So you've got your kettle, nice and clean. A good choice of tea and coffee. Plenty of cups there. Nice table with some bottles of complimentary water that come with it. Let's see what's in here. So in here you've got your hotel safe, as well as your iron and iron board, and really nice amount of storage there in this room. And as we come around, there is another wardrobe here, which is quite a nice feature. It's got when you open the doors, the lights come on, so it's quite good. Alright, let's have a look in the bathroom at this hotel. So as you come into the bathroom, on the right hand side you've got your wash basin. Comes with various amenities, nice illuminated mirror above the wash basin. Also got a magnified mirror to help with shaving. A nice size bath if you want to have a bath. Again, with all the normal amenities you get in most hotels. You've also got the shower attachment. As we come around here, again, there's me posing in front of the mirror. As you come around here, you've got another shower with nice marble walls. And you've got your WC just tucked in the corner. So I hope you've liked this room tour of the Hilton Hotel in Cologne. Tomorrow morning, not sure if we will be using the hotel's breakfast facilities. We'll probably end up having a look around and seeing what other options are available in the area. But hope you've enjoyed this hotel tour of Hilton Cologne, and look forward to seeing you on the next one.